in the basket. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Yay.
All right, come over this way. Here. You did it.
Go find some more. Uh-oh. Good
Good
job.
job. Where are we going? Come on, let's go.
If you see
Alex.
an egg, grab one.
Hey, hey, look.
Good job.
All right, we gotta go down the stairs. Here's a chance. All right, use the rail.
There you go, one step at a time. Good job. One more step.
One more. You found another egg.
Yay!
All right. You did it. Where are you going now?
Find some more eggs. Alex, there's more eggs. Over here. Look.
Here, let's fix your basket. There you go. All right, here. Well, you did twist it pretty good, didn't you? All right, there you go. Look. Over there.
You did. Wait, one more. You forgot one.
Alex, look right there.
Alex, look right here.
Hey.
Look, on your left. Right there.
What's that?
Oh, Angel. Oh no, he's dropping them. Oh
Here,
no.
let's fix your basket.
Alex, come back and get these ones. You dropped them.
Oh, the Frankenstein egg. Here you go, put it in the basket. All right. You did it.
Oh no.
Alex,
Oh,
over here.
no.
Over here, buddy. Get that one. Go get that egg. You just stepped on it. All right. That's why there's a shell. All right.
Yeah.
Here, let's fix the basket, all right? I think when you fell on it, it kind of did something special. All right, let's go. Come on. Where are we going? I don't know. Is that an egg or is that a flower? No, there's nothing up there. Here, come over here.
You're about to fall out. Oh no. Oh. Try again. Uh-oh.
You get it?
Basket next year.
You did it. You get that one too. You're gonna fix your basket. You did it. You did it. Here, come on. Let's go this way. Let's see if there's any more. Here, I'm gonna carry the basket and you find the eggs. Where's the eggs at, Alex? Hey,
Alex, look.
Alex.
Oh, he sees one over there.
Who's going to get that one?
You see it? Oh, put it in the basket. Good
Did-
job.
Did you miss one?
Look, what's that? Is that an egg right there? Nope.
No, there's nothing under the porch. Hey, no, there's nothing there.
Alex, you see it? Right there. It camouflaged like a flower.
You did it. You did. Here, let's go down here. Come on. Oh, my hand. Careful. Well, your hands are all kinds of different colors.
Alex, look right there. Is that one right there? Alex, look. Good job.
His hands are so blue and green.
We'll wash up after a while.
Don't drop it. Here, bring it back over here. Put it in the
Put in the
basket.
basket. Uh-oh.
Here.
Hurry before your hand turns blue permanently.
Cool.
Yay! Oh, we got one. Alex, look.
Here.
Do you see a blue egg?
Oh,
is there any more eggs over here? Come look.
Got your hands. Look, Alex, do you see me? No.
You see dirt.
Oh, jeez. Good balance, mister. Come here, look.
You got another one.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you better grab it. All right.
Alright.
All
All
right.
right.
Dingy, dingy, dingy. All right, come on. Let's go up here. Come on, Alex.
Come on, let's go.
Alex.
Yay. You did, there's one more. It's green, it's hiding in the grass.
Where's the green egg at? Let's look for the green egg.
Last one.
Here, come up here, kiddo. Is there an egg around here somewhere? Alex. Alex, come here.
Alex. The last one.
All right.
Yay!
Oh, what?
All right, you see your hands? Let me see your hands.
Show me your hands. Look.
Let's look at your hands. All right.